Hi guys! For this year's Mother's Day, ay dito kami kakain sa Escobar, Mandaluyong branch. So, bali na-try na namin yung branch sa Quezon City. Ito hindi pa namin natatry yung branch nila dito sa May Mandala. So, tara, tignan natin yung menu and tikman natin yung mga steaks nila dito. Ito nga yung kanilang updated menu as of May 2026. Yung truffle. So ayan, after a few minutes, dumating na yung aming order. Since it's Mother's Day, medyo matagal yung order guys. Pero it's worth it naman. Malalaki yung serving sila. Umorder nga pala kami ng parang bundle or family meal nila na may nakapackage na good for 10 or 12 packs. So ito yung mga inclusion nun. Then nag-add on na lang kami ng mga iba pang steaks. Anong out nyo? Sarap. 9, ikaw? 10, wow. Baby, anong out mo, baby? Baby, anong out mo? 10 out of 10. So that's our Mother's Day celebration dito sa Escobar's Mandaluyong. Na-enjoy namin yung food guys. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.